Have you ever wondered how the battery in your smartphone works? Well, let's dial back the clock to 1985. A Japanese chemist named Akira Yoshino was looking for a solution to a pressing problem of the time, the need for portable power sources. Yoshino's answer was a groundbreaking invention that we now know as the lithium-ion battery. This wasn't just any battery, though. Lithium-ion batteries have a high energy density, meaning they can store a lot of energy in a small space, a crucial feature for our increasingly compact gadgets. They also lack what's called a memory effect, so they don't have to be fully drained before recharging. Plus, they lose charge at a snail's pace when they're not in use, making them ideal for devices we rely on daily. So, the lithium-ion battery was born out of necessity, and it quickly became a game-changer in the realm of portable electronics. Now that we know where lithium-ion batteries come from, how do these powerhouses actually work? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of battery science. The heart of a lithium-ion battery is its three main parts: a positive electrode made of a lithium metal oxide, a negative electrode often composed of carbon, and the electrolyte, a lithium salt in an organic solvent. The battery's magic lies in the movement of lithium ions. When the battery discharges, that is, when it's powering your device, lithium ions move from the negative electrode to the positive electrode. This journey is made possible by the electrolyte, which serves as a kind of highway for the ions. As the lithium ions move, they free up space at the negative electrode, which is taken up by electrons. These electrons then flow through the external circuit, that's your device, and provide the electric current that powers it. But what happens when you plug your device into a power source to recharge it? The lithium ions simply reverse their journey. They move back from the positive electrode to the negative electrode. This back and forth dance of lithium ions is what allows a lithium-ion battery to be recharged and used over and over again. Yet it's not all smooth sailing. The efficiency of this ion movement can be affected by several factors. The size and structure of the electrodes, the composition of the electrolyte, and the operating temperature of the battery all play a role. Engineers and scientists continually tweak these elements to develop batteries that are more efficient, last longer, and are safer to use. So the next time you're typing away on your laptop or swiping through social media on your smartphone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible science that's powering your device. It's the smooth dance of lithium ions back and forth that keeps our world connected, our homes lit, and our cars running. In essence, it's all about the smooth dance of lithium ions back and forth that powers our devices. The lithium-ion battery has been a revolutionary invention. But where do we see it in our daily lives? From the moment you wake up to the moment you drift off to sleep, chances are you interact with a device powered by a lithium-ion battery. Your smartphone? Yes, that's powered by a lithium-ion battery. Your laptop? That too. Even your electric car relies on the same technology. Lithium-ion batteries have established a firm grip on the rechargeable battery market, thanks to their superior energy density and longevity. They can store large amounts of energy in a small space, making them ideal for portable devices. They also have a slow rate of discharge, meaning your gadgets can run longer between charges. They've even found their way into larger scale applications like power grids, where they store excess energy for later use. So, whether you're texting a friend, finishing a work presentation, or driving home after a long day, you have lithium-ion batteries to thank. Today, it's hard to imagine a world without lithium-ion batteries powering our everyday gadgets. As we look to the future, what awaits lithium-ion batteries? We're on the brink of a new era, one where these powerhouses could become even more efficient, affordable, and safe. Innovation in lithium-ion technology is rapidly advancing, promising a future where we can squeeze even more energy into the same compact battery size. That's increased energy density for you. The cost of these batteries is also on a downward trajectory, making them more accessible for a range of applications. From electric cars to renewable energy storage, cheaper lithium-ion batteries could be the key to a more sustainable future. And let's not forget safety. With ongoing research, we're honing in on technologies that could make these batteries even safer, reducing the risk of overheating and other hazards. While the lithium-ion battery has come a long way since its invention, its journey of powering our lives is far from over. Thank you, fantastic viewers, for being a part of the fixed flare tech community. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll unravel another fascinating tech topic. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next one. This is MQ Joshi, signing off from Fixed Flare Tech. See you soon.